All right. What I want to talk about now for a few minutes are contingencies and inspections. There are three things that your purchase could be contingent on. The first one is your offer will be contingent on obtaining financing. Since you're already pre-approved with a reputable lender, you should be fine. But in the event your financing were to fall through, you're not going to be obligated to meet the terms of your contract if you can't get a loan. So your purchase is contingent on your ability to obtain financing. The second thing we may include in your purchase offer is a contingency based on the sale of the home you own now. If you don't own a home now, of course, this doesn't apply. But if you do have a house and you have to pay that mortgage off before the bank will give you a new mortgage on the new property, then we need to make your purchase contingent on the sale and the closing of your current home. The third thing that your purchase offer can be contingent on is obtaining favorable inspections on the property. So your contract will specify an opportunity to hire a registered home inspector to go over the home from top to bottom looking for problems. Your goal here is to identify items that are deficient and that they are currently unsafe or could cost you a significant amount of money to replace or repair in the near future. You are looking for those items that adversely affect habitability. These could be structural issues, unsafe electrical service, a non-functioning septic system, contaminated well, or a bad roof, for example. Basic maintenance items and things that are readily apparent cosmetic deficiencies may make their way into your report, and they're all good to know, but they won't constitute an adverse habitability issue. So how does this protect you? Because that's really the most important thing. Well, let's say the inspector tells you that the roof on the house is at the end of its useful life. You have the right, per the purchase contract, to ask the seller to replace that roof. One of three things is likely to happen. One, the seller could agree to replace the roof. Maybe he has the ability to make an insurance claim. He doesn't have a lot of out-of-pocket money. Puts a new roof on the house, in which case you go ahead and buy the house per the contract. The second thing that could happen is the seller could refuse to fix the roof. And then you have the option of either proceeding with the purchase anyway, maybe it's a terrific deal and you really want the house, or you have the option of walking away from the purchase entirely because your purchase was contingent on favorable inspections. The third thing that could happen is that the repair becomes another point of negotiation. For instance, the seller may find a roofing contractor that's willing to repair the roof, do certain things to the roof at the seller's expense, and then guarantee the useful life of that roof for a certain number of years. If you're happy with the outcome of that negotiation, you proceed with the purchase. If you're not satisfied with what the seller is willing or able to do, then we go out and we start looking for another house. The point is, we want to do all we can to protect you, the buyer.
This is Roost Real Estate Company. Smart, passionate, supportive, approachable. Meeting people where they are today and helping them get to where they want to be tomorrow.